kind of
Okay.
anger will move somebody to do that? So for those people who don't know, Kwamwon is a Nigerian singer. We all know him as, you know, Kwamwon. Singer Kwamwon, they said on Instablog Niger 5 days ago, they said singer Kwamwon's disruptive behavior sparks aviation safety breach and leads to pilot suspension. The unruly behavior of the renowned Fuji musician Wasiu Ayinde, popularly known as Kwamwon or K1 The Ultimate, has triggered a major safety incident involving value jets, prompting regulatory sanctions from the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, which is NCAA. According to the sources, the incident occurred on August 5 aboard a ValueJet flight where Kwamwon was allegedly seen drinking from a flask. The flight attendant, suspecting the content to be alcohol, which is strictly prohibited on Nigerian flight, asked him to surrender the flask. However, the musician reportedly declined, claiming it contained doctor's prescribed medication. So, following his refusal, the flight crew decided to deboard him. But Kwamwon, visibly angered by the action, moved to the front of the aircraft in protest, allegedly attempting to block the plane from departing. What kind of anger will move somebody to do that? A video obtained by the cable show, a video obtained by the cable showed the Fuji star on the tarmac with ground personnel dangerously close to the aircraft as it prepared for takeoff. Shockingly, the aircraft proceeded to depart while Kwamwon and others were still near its wings, an action that directly violated aviation safety. And the one that scattered my head was the fact that they were still close to the aircraft and the pilots, prepared for takeoff, proceeded to depart. That is crazy.
So in all right sense, I think it too should be evaluated and checked on, like maybe there's something wrong.